Oh no, I've left my wet laundry in the machine and it stinks. I'm going to show you how to rescue your laundry without anything special and without having to bleach it. The first thing I'm checking is that the machine isn't overloaded. If there's too much stuff in there, it's never going to rinse clean. The drum isn't overloaded, so I'm not going to have to take anything out. I'm just going to put a splash of vinegar. And a splash, I mean about a cup's worth. I don't have a cup, but I'm just going to put it straight in the drum. You could theoretically put bleach in instead, but I don't really want bleach on my clothes. I will put regular detergent in the detergent drawer. And the wash I'm going to do is going to have, mine's got a pre-soak so the vinegar can soak into the water in the clothes and the sheets. I'm going to run it on a hotter temperature than usual, and I'm going to put an extra rinse in there, and then I'm going to set it off. Ta-da! Everything smells fresh, it doesn't smell of vinegar. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. If it didn't, there is a nuclear option, and I have another video which shows you how to clean your washing machine first so that your laundry will come out fresh.